Hey, what's up, everybody? So, I wanted to show an explanation of how to install Clubhouse on Android. Now, it is a beta version, it is not official, and we'll talk about what some of the implications are. The one thing is, I would not use your primary phone number for it. You can actually use a Google Voice number. So, right here, clubhouse-android github.io, and I'll copy that and put that link in the description. Next thing is you would go here and do download APK, and I would install this into my Dropbox. So now this files is installed here and it's synced up over here to the Android device. Now let's switch to the Android device, and now I'm here on the Android device. Now one thing, let's go back to Google Voice. Let's talk about that for a second. Google Voice over here, voice.google.com for personal use. You get that. You can utilize that just to receive SMS, and you can use a personal account. So now let's go back here. So now we're here on the Android device. I have the Dropbox and the Clubhouse latest APK. I'm going to click this, and it's going to say, do you want to open it? I just click just once. Do you want to install this application? Yes. Now it's going to install. App installed. Now you're going to click open. I understand. You could lose your account. So if you're going to use the emulator, know that you may lose your account. Now I'm waiting for my SMS to come in. You're going to get an SMS every time you log in. 3624. Next. You hit retry. Now you're here. You're set up. You can set up a user ID and things like that. So, yep, you're able to listen in. The audio works. And, yep. So that's how you install Android on Clubhouse on an Android device. It's the club functionality is not there yet. So, oh, sorry about that. So yeah, works pretty good.